Hello everyone! We're making this video to show you a few new features that we've recently added to Astro. We're constantly working on Astro to make our customers' experience always better. So let me show you some of the new implementations. The first one is very exciting because you can now share keywords in social media from Astro. You simply select multiple ones, and once you're ready, you right-click on them and select Share Keywords. You will now have this window in which you can choose your preferred style. You can select the color of the background, the padding, the shadowing. You have different sizes here, some ready for social media. You can select dark mode or light mode, blur keywords or not, and you can also show the position change. Then once you're ready, you can copy or save the project on your computer, then go to your selected social media and post your image. Another important feature is in the Add Keywords button. You can now select between many different categories. The first category you see is the one that Astro automatically selects for the app you're using. Now, if you want a more organized view, you can now drag columns wherever you like and also decide to hide some with this selector here. Another feature for organizational purposes is that in your sidebar, you can decide to drag apps from one folder to another without having to right-click on them. And now onto smaller UX improvements that would really come in handy during your daily research on Astro. For example, you can now clear multiple notes at once by simply selecting them, right-clicking, and choosing Clear Notes. Now, if you open a window, you can exit it by simply clicking outside of it. Then you can now not only search for keywords, but you can search for notes as well. Now, this feature is very interesting because now keyword filtering is accent agnostic, which means that if, for example, you write a word like meteo, you will be shown all the different accents that you've added for the same word. Then, if now you right-click on your icon in a sidebar, you can select Open in App Store to see your app in the App Store. This feature was highly requested as well, and you can add apps directly from the apps in ranking simply by clicking on the plus button here. And finally, we've added the release date in the Add App search bar here. You simply look for an app and you will see it right here on the right. We really care for your feedback, so if you have any suggestions at all, don't hesitate to write to us or to open a feature request with this button here. Thanks for watching.